Alright everyone, Michael with Houston Privacy Fence here. We have another job that we're just getting started. We're going to do a gate replacement here. Just an entry gate. If you look, it's worn out. We're going to do an entry gate replacement, and it's going to be a cedar gate. It's going to look beautiful when we get there. We'll show you the video afterwards. If you look here, we're getting ready to throw the pickets on this gate, but we have our frame that we use, rectangular frame. And if you look, we've also put in another rail right here. So we have 3 rails instead of just 2 like it had previously. We added a rail on this side, and then we built our boxed frame, screwed on all corners, and then also with a knee brace right here in the middle to prevent the sag. I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so we finished the gate replacement here at Houston Privacy Fence and Stain. It's kind of really bright here. Can't see it too well because of the sun, but here's that cedar gate replaced. Here's the operation of it. It opens really easy. And also closes really easy. Has 10-inch hinges, not 8-inch. Has a full 2x4 frame with the sag bar. Show you how it looks from the back side.